Jury selection is underway in the federal trial of three men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery. This trial will determine if Travis McMichael, his father Greg McMichael, and their neighbor William Roddy Bryan were motivated by race, making Arbery's death a hate crime. News4JAX reporter Janice Harris is live at the federal court building in Brunswick. And Janice, they've already found a few potential jurors.
They have found a few potential jurors. They want to find 36 potential jurors total. So far this morning, they called in a batch of 25 people. From there, they decided to keep 16, eliminated 9. So they're getting closer and closer to the goal of at least finding 36 people. Now, once they do that, they'll narrow it down to 12 jurors and 4 alternates. Gregory McMichael, Travis McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan are facing multiple hate crime charges that the Department of Justice says happened during the murder of Ahmaud Arbery. Today, the state and defense questioned the first 25 potential jurors, asking a range of questions, including, are you in any way related by blood or marriage to Ahmaud Arbery or the defendants? What do you know about this case? This case varies from the state case. The jury pool is comprised of 43 Southern District counties, whereas the pool for the state case was specifically Glenn County only, which could potentially reduce the likelihood of the jurors knowing the defendants or Ahmaud Arbery. Nearly 1,000 people were summoned for this trial. Once the jury pool is found, the trial is expected to last 7 to 12 days. During the time, no cameras are allowed in the courtroom. It's anticipated there will be a lot of discussion about the three men and their views on race and how that may have motivated their actions the day Arbery was murdered. And inside the courtroom, typically we get to hear the preliminary questions for each of the potential jurors, and then those questions where they begin to narrow it down. In this case, we haven't been able to do that. We're sitting in the courtroom as those potential jurors are taken into a back room with the state and the defense, and we're trying to figure out if that's going to be standard procedure as they search for a potential juror in this federal court case. In the meantime, also coming up tonight at 6, more about what's been happening inside the courtroom and those potential jurors. Reporting live in Brunswick at the federal courthouse, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.